shoebill, a bird so terrifyingly calm, it looks fake until it moves. Standing taller than most kids with eyes that don't blink and a beak like a weapon, it's straight out of a horror movie. It doesn't chase, it doesn't panic, it just stares. Found in the swamps of Africa, the shoebill hunts fish, frogs, even baby crocodiles. Its beak crushes through bones like it's nothing. And that sound it makes? It's called bill clattering, like a machine gun echoing across the swamp. It's calm, it's silent, and it's fearless. The shoebill isn't just a bird, it's a relic, a living reminder that dinosaurs never really left.